fangs that bite, my claws that catch.
My axes are thirsty.
Let's paint the town red tonight.
Yo there, piece of trash.
Wisdom dominates everything.
My lord, Dusk Palace and Erica await your return.
Have you seen my little bear?
Blues or punk?
Weapons are for the weak.
All men are brothers.
Thank you, God, for the rich food and friends. And for
Wendy, making candy. Death is always by my side.
You are a stenchy offense to my palate.
Never underestimate the power of forests.
Now I understand why my family overwatches in the north.
Troublemaker online. What's the worst that could happen?
I shall purge all evil, and the light of justice shall vanquish the darkness.
Wands up, children. Time for charm practice.
Don't play with fire if you're not willing to burn.
No prey, no pay. Name the target and I claim my bounty.
My wolf will trace your filthy smell, and so will my bullet.
Ancestors, ease our pain and guide our path.
Bottoms up to the Vampire Lord.
I love falling cherry blossoms, but in a blood-red way.
I will never lose control with you.
As long as I draw breath, the flag of Scarlet Rose flies high.
You're not on my list yet. Oh, wait. I wrote it on the back.
Naughty, naughty. I remember when just a little pain did the trick.
Free puny mortals. The world melts in my flames.
Oh, it was a great nap. Who are you? And
I hold a bow of true freedom. I hold my heart. Destiny fulfilled. My blade serves now for the Church of Axiom.
Hear my revolvers sing and perish.
I fight with sternest judgment and unquenchable fire.
Shh. Do not spoil the silence of the night.
Eternal moon, please bless your believers. How beautiful are the polar lights. What do you mean? Can't you see them? Then go to hell!
Your fear will only feed my power.
Survival of the fittest. That's my feral instinct.
Why? Why did you lie to me?
Right between the eyes.
Yeehaw! Taste my bullets.
Ready for my next trick?
Be quiet. I'm reviewing for potion classes.
Come, mortal. Witness your demise!
Eyes on me, my little cupcake.
I'm always ready to play. You're getting me riled up.